Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker HISENSE Party Rocker One from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your speaker. And right here at the bottom we have disconnect button, so you need to tap at this button. But if you want to totally remove your speaker from the phone, you need to select forget this device, because disconnect stop Bluetooth connection with your speaker but leave it at the device list. So let me click on it, and as you can see, you just do not connect it, but I have it at the device list, so I can reconnect the speaker by just tap on it. If the speaker turn on and do not connect it with another device, of course. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!